Alright, so this is just my basic routine when I get out of the shower. Hair's wet. Always dab on your hair. You don't want to, scrub into it because you will break your hair and it's not good for it. And then I usually just run my fingers through it, loosen it up, and then take a comb. I don't use like the fine tooth line. I always use the thicker one. And I obviously have had a haircut since some of my previous stuff was done. And with it being shorter, I actually use a little bit different of a product routine, which I'll show you guys. So, real simple and quick. I go straight in for the American Crew, the fiber. This has got a high hold, low shine. It's like a matte. I always take about that much. And you work it in between your palms to loosen up, because this stuff can kind of clump if you don't really work it in. And it's going to have more hold than some of the other stuff I was using for when my hair was longer. And then I always start with the tips on my hair because I like the pieces to kind of fall. I don't like everything to stay in the same place. Slowly work it through, and I also try to keep it off of my scalp. It's not good to like clog your pores and stuff, and you're not trying to style your scalp. Make sure it's all worked in. Actually gonna use just a little bit more. You'll be able to feel it out. Also, if you practice with this product, you'll get a better idea on how much you need, because you don't want to overdo it, which is easy to do when your hair is kind of damp. And then always come through the brush. Make sure it's worked through just that extra bit. And then from there, it pretty much will fall into place. And what you'll do is just tell your barber that you guys have asked me before, what do you tell your barber? It's better just to take a picture and honestly, and show them a picture of exactly what you want. A really good barber will be able to do that for you. So, and then to finish it off, the American Crew, the Grooming Spray. That stuff's great because it's just a finishing spray. It's not like a heavy hairspray that like women use. This is more of a lighter hold, just to give it a textured hold to keep it in place. And then throughout the day, product will kind of fall to the side, just more of a natural hold. And also something else I always throw in before I leave is this stuff's great because, one second here. That's the all-in-one face balm the American Crew does. It also has the SPF 15 in it, which is amazing. So get the sun protection. I know, like with my motorcycle, sometimes I'll ride with like a 3/4 helmet or something like that, and you get a lot of sun on your face, and it'll get you looking old pretty quick. So this stuff's a lifesaver. I always work this stuff in under my eyes too. It's got a nice smell. And then also a little bit, because my beard gets dry from time to time. And that's pretty much it.
Part 1, folding the towel.
This is the most important part.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't fold your towels right, your hair's not gonna look good.